Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a Dolphin flush plate. In the bottom right it says Dolphin and that indicates that it is a Dolphin product. These are normally found in disabled toilets but can also be found in commercial and residential properties. So with this one I felt around the edge for the little nubs around the outside. There's no screws on this one, so it's just a case of pulling it off. I found pulling it at the bottom is the best to get it off. Then all to do to put it back on, you've got to line it up, then with firm press in each corner to push it back. Make sure it's flush and give it a test. With the flush plate off, you can also access all the stuff inside to change any parts that you need to change. Give it a nice little polish after you've finished to make it look like you haven't been there. And that is how you remove a Dolphin flush plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this that will help you out in the future with any problems you have in the plumbing world. Have a good day.